Let's get into shape, 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 shape. Let's get into shape, shape, shape. You know all about lines around you and me. Long and short and thick and thin they'll be. So let's make a line going this way and that, and sooner or later it might just connect back to itself and enclose a space. Oh, ha! We just made a shape. Shape is an important element of art. Let's learn all about it. Where should we start? There are so many shapes you can create and find, but really there are just two main kinds. I'll tell you about them after the break. Are you still awake? Are you still awake? Let's get into shape, 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 shape. Let's get into shape, shape, shape. Geometric shapes have names that you know. You learned them in math class a while ago, like circle, rectangle, and hexagon or triangle, square, and octagon. Geometric shapes seem perfect and precise, and except for the circle, they just have straight lines. Geometric shapes are in things that people make, like street signs, a sheet of paper, or this dinner plate. Geometric shapes, listen up, this is neat, are often found in patterns. Yep, they repeat. You can make geometric shapes anytime. Just start making straight lines. Let's get into shape, 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 shape. Let's get into shape, shape, shape. Organic shapes, there are many that you can find. They are flowy and can be one of a kind. And because they're all different, they don't really have names, except for this one. I'll call it James. They are free form and they can change, we say, like the edges of a cloud as it floats through the day. Speaking of clouds, let's take a walk outdoors. Organic shapes are in nature. Let's find more, like the shape of these rocks and this tree bark, and the shape of this leaf and the pond in the park. You can make organic shapes, that much I know. Just let the lines flow. Let's get into shape, 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 shape. Let's get into shape, shape, shape. How about an example that has both kinds, geometric and organic, at the same time? Look over here by the door. Look down. I'm talking about the rug on the floor. The rug is a rectangle and that is geometric. And this pattern has lines that are geometric. But there are some flowers and those are organic. I can't seem to find anything else. Organic. Oh look, I think someone spilled coffee. It's an organic shape stain, flowy and free. If you missed anything, go back to the start. Otherwise, go and make some art. Now you're into shape, 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 shape. Now you're